Lazarus and Zolega threw a birthday party for Ligamva at the hospital. Hlati tried to stop it, but it didn't succeed. Ligamva gave a beautiful speech thanking Lazarus, and Lazarus wrote in Bavumile to meet Ligamva for the first time. Hlati could not stop one kid, he left. Mawethu went to see Kawe in hospital. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Ligamva woke up, it's his birthday, 21st birthday. His family sang for him and celebrated him with a cake and a beautiful breakfast. Everyone's just happy for him because he said he doesn't want to celebrate his birthday and have a big braai and something because Uqawe is still in hospital. So they respected his wishes, and they had just a small thing for the family in the morning over breakfast. And then Ligamva went to see Lazarus and Zolega at Zolega's house just to check on them because just to see how they're doing, because since Qawe is in hospital, they appreciated that so much. And then they learned that it's Ligamva's birthday. And Zolega was like, no way, we're celebrating you. No, Lazarus, what? No, there's no way we're letting this go. We are celebrating you. It doesn't feel right because Uqawe akekho. But no, we're going to make sure, we're going to make it happen. And Uqawe is over right. Don't worry. Are you ready for your interview? Because I think Ligamva is going for the interview tomorrow at the pharmaceutical company. And then he said he's ready to be the best birthday gift for his 21st. And then he goes home to tell his family, finds his mom, his parents there, no Thandeka, no Thulani, tells them, Lazarus knows Zolega wants to throw him a birthday party at the hospital. Uhlathi was like, no ways, uke wayivaphi wena into yokuba isibhedlela, kube neparty esibhedlela. UThumeka was worried ukuthi hawu kuyavumeleka yini lokho. UThandeka athi, hey, Tum, uma unemali, everything can happen, anything can happen. And then Uhlathi is like, nope, this is not happening. There's no way you're having a party at the hospital. Sizoba nephathi xa uChawe ephuma esibhedlela. Uligamva was like, this is for me, Tata. Can you put your differences aside, no Mr. Lazarus, and just do this and just let me have this? Thumeka tried to speak to him, say, Hlathi, please don't interfere with this just because I was one no Lazarus. Uhlathi was like, Thumeka khawume kancinci, please. Uligamva Uhlathi was like, hey, he made it clear, put his foot down, say, there is no party that is going to open esibhedlela. Ligamva was going to have a party when Qawe gets discharged, and that is final. Thumeka tries to speak to Hlathi. You're just going to push Ligamva to Zolega and Lazarus. I also don't like that we're getting invited by Zolega and Mienwake for our son's birthday party. But Ligamva is close to them and we have to get used to it. So we have to go there, same support. Otherwise, unless if you want Lazarus to take both your sons, because they already took for me, and then Thumeka speaks some sense into Hlathi, because Hlathi finally went to the party. And then Zolega speaks to the doctor asking to have the party at the hospital. It's just fine, we can arrange a machine. This is unusual, but we can make it happen. And then Zolega tells him he wants medical records, Qawe, test results and everything, because he's getting a second opinion. He's speaking to a cardiologist, a specialist, Los Angeles. Doctor's like, are you undermining my job? Do you think I'm not doing enough? Zolega was like, no, it's not that. It's just that and I'll do anything to make sure she gets the best care. I will try anything to save her. And then shows him some research that she's been doing about surgeries that were successful. Things with all cases are different, so we cannot just jump onto any trial that is out there. Yay, I need those medical files. I'll do anything for my child to get better. So you better step on it. Then agreed to he's gonna give the medical records. And then Uqawe, no Zethu, no Yanga, nomntana kaNtsiki, they went to see Uqawe esibhedlela. It was so nice and warm to have them there, making jokes, laughing, and Uqawe then says, no man, you can't miss you birthday yakho just because I'm here. You need to celebrate it. What if this is the last birthday I get to attend? We have to make it happen. And then Ligamva was like, please ungathethi kanjalo sis, ungathethi kanjalo. And Uqawe is like, no man, let's have the birthday. My parents have money, they can make things happen, because it was like, even if you have the party, how are you going to get there? Uqawe was like, no man, my parents have money, they can make it happen. And then Zo did make it happen. They had the party at the hospital, everything arranged, looking cute, everyone is there, the whole family, even Nontsiki. no Lukhanyo, brother kaZoleka, was there. And Ulikava was just telling Zoleka ukuthi utata was not going to come because he's against the whole party. Uzoleka was like, don't worry about him. Today is about you, no Qhawekazi, so ungamoyi. And then they bring Qhawekazi, she in a wheelchair and all the machines and madrippy. She looks better and says ukuthi ndizwe in a party, there's no way I'm missing it. And then Hlata appears, says ukuthi there's no way I'm missing your 21st birthday party. Ulikamba was happy to see his dad efika because it would have been weird for him to miss it just because he's got beef no Lazarus. And then the party starts. Ulikamba starts giving speeches, thanking his parents for being there for him, raising him well, and he's learned a lot from them. And then he thanks Ulaza and then says what his sisters are his wealth, he would do anything for them. Angala for his sisters. And then he also thanks Lazarus, saying that Lazarus is the father figure that he never knew he needed. In front of Hlat Kalok, saying that Lazarus ndiyabulela kakhulu, you are the father figure I never knew I needed in my life. You taught me a lot. You taught me to believe in myself. You taught me about passion, about ambition, and ndiyabulela for that. And also he thanked him for the job that he'll be starting. Aspect, a big pharmaceutical company. That's all because of Lazarus. It's an opportunity I don't take for granted because if it wasn't for you, Kabe Kubaiko. He went on thanking him, saying, I also love the way you love my aunt Uzoleka. You made me believe Gotutando still exists, something that is steady, reliable, and forever. And then he looks at Zetu. Uhlati, can you imagine? Umtanako looks up to someone else for love and a whole lot of things because when you're not that good of an example to him. And then you could have seen Lazarus gushing with happiness, just rubbing each other on Zoleka. She was not happy at all because why is Likamva another person, another man instead of his own father? Unsika was offended. I could just see what he was not fine. They were not happy at all. And then Ugava goes to hug Uqawe. And then the speeches are done. Lazarus says that he's got another surprise for Ulikamva. And then Lazarus goes and fetches Ubavumile. Comes in Nobavumile. Yo, everyone was just gushing on everyone being broody, going, oh no, like I know when a baby comes up. But then Uhlati like he was just shaken from his chair because why are they bringing Ubavumile in a space where Hlati is after he was banned from seeing Ubavumile? And then Ulikamva meets Ubavumile for the first time. Wambamba held Ubavumile in his hands. Lazarus, you could just see because he's rubbing this in. Uhlati, Shem looking all shocked and just sad because why is it that Lazarus is fleshing his child? And then Lazarus even winked Kuhlati just to show him good say like sort of like boasting. And then Ulahlati could not take it, shame. He stood up and left the room. Bambone sehamba, Shamutumega was worried. No Likamva looking at his dad leaving. I don't think Likamva was worried. Probably just thinking, I serves him right, lo, we are sangan. But Utumega was definitely worried. And then Umawet went to see Uqawe, to visit Uqawe at the hospital. Uqawe, they were like talking. It was nice because they were just chatting. Umawet was saying that I'm glad I'm the one who saved you. But you really scared me, bruh, when you collapsed like that. And when they told me it's a heart attack, I felt really bad. I just got really worried. And then Kawa tells him something that really worries him even further, saying that Intole, it's not something that can just have a quick fix. But I need a new heart. I need a new heart transplant. Umawet was like, what can I do? Where will I get a heart? Please don't worry, you've already saved me. And that's enough. Umawethu then meets with the boys, telling them Kawe just looked helpless. She was smiling and all and chatting, but you could just see she's not well, man. And you guys know I love Kawe, so seeing her like this breaks my heart. And then Linda storms out of nowhere, Hlasela Ulwandle, saying, how can I tell you something in confidence and then you go and talk about it like that? How could you do this to me? Linda is confused ukuthi ukhuluma ngani wena. Kanti uSydney, when remember yesterday uLwandle told uSydney that uLinda has daddy issues angamazi utatakhe, uma wakhe is an alcoholic. Went and did his research and found out that Linda's mom is actually cheating with is it a mayor yes Northwest or a minister, I can't remember. And so it might be that ulinda umntanakhe, that's why umawakhe does not want to tell her who her real father is. And now Sidi says that he wants to help Ulinda find out his father, but obviously he's got something, he wants to gain something from this. If he helps Linda has to do his dirty work for him and be a spy, a kusela. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.